What's up everyone, it's Jero Lorenzo and today on our video, I will show you how I prepare for an event. Today, meron akong hosting of an adult birthday party. I need to prepare. We have a few minutes left actually before the call time and malapit lang naman dito sa aking place yung venue. I will show you how I prepare and how will I look today. So yun. If hindi ka pa nakasubscribe sa aking channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and on the bell icon para lagi kang manonotify kapag may mga bago tayong uploads. And don't forget to like and share. Alright, so yan ang sinabi ko kanina. We're preparing for a hosting gig. Ayan, so mag-makeup tayo and I will show you how will I look. Sana I'm okay to dress up today. Ayan, kasi minsan yung pananamit natin, yung pag-ayos natin, nakadepende siya sa mood or how are you on that day. So yun. And kanina bago ko simulan at naisip na gumawa ng video, I'm actually cleaning my face. Ayan, what I used to clean my face or to prepare my face is this. So, it's not a paid brand, ayan, pero ito yung lagi kong ginagamit. This one works for me and I really recommend this one. Kasi siya yung nakahingangan ng face ko. And I even use the facial wash of the same brand and variant. And so that's why kinda medyo may improvement yung skin ko since the time I started using this one. So this is also a makeup remover and yeah, pwede mo siyang gamitin to clean up your face. So yun yung ginagawa ko ngayon. And so we're cleaning up our face even though hindi naman tayo galing sa digmaan. Digmaan talaga. Kaya nakaligo na ako and syempre nakabihis na ako eh. Ayan, nakaligo na ako, nakapagilamos and such. Ayan, pero we have to clean our face first before we apply any makeup. Actually, this serves as primer for me too. Though it's not really a proper primer, pero wala, yun yung ginagamit ko eh. Ayan, so we're going to start with our makeup bago ko magagawa ng hair. We will begin with the everyday wear BB cream ng Mickey Do. So, it actually have skin lightening, lifting, softening, moisturizing, and color corrector. Yan. So ito yung ginagamit ko na BB cream lagi. And this is the first na ina-apply ko sa mukha ko. So, to fully maximize the product that you are applying on your face, don't forget to apply it on your neck too for pantay na kulay. Next, after we apply the BB cream, meron akong makeup kit na ganito. So I'm using ito, the Flormar with the shade of ivory. Yun yung aking skin tone. Yun. So applying lang dito. Then again, we're gonna use our fingers. I actually started learning doing makeup. Pero that time hindi pa din ganun kaayos. Kasi nagte-theater ako nung bata ako. Sa mga church, sa school, ganyan. So, ayun, kailangan mo rin kasi matutong mag-makeup kasi yung mga ganong small productions, lalo na free, wala silang provided na makeup artist. Kasi nga, again, church and school. So, kailangan mo matuto. And then, when I grow up, kasi na-start ako mag-theater, 7 years old eh. And so, nung medyo tumanda, medyo natuto, pero hindi pa din ganong kaayos yung application natin ng makeup kasi hindi naman tayo marunong ng color shading, proper na pagkakasunod-sunod, di ba? So, yun. And then, when I started hosting, ayun, medyo nag-explore tayo, pero mali pa din yung tone na nabibili natin. So, we have decided to make friends with several makeup artists. And then, sila yung nag-makeup sa akin pag may event. And then, syempre, yun nga, out of observation, yun, paano ginagawa, anong nilalagay, ganyan. So, ito ko yung natutunan. And then, until may nagturo sa akin kung ano yung dapat na shade na bibilin ko, ganyan. So, yun. Doon nag-start ganyan sa ito. Marunong na ako mag-makeup ng sa sarili ko. Tapos, magko-concealer tayo. Ang gamit kong concealer ay BYS in a medium shade. Kasi meron tayong mga ganito na kailangan takpan at yung ating mga pinagpuyatan, kailangan din niya matakpan. So, na-apply na natin siya dito. Medyo natakpan na yung mga dapat takpan. Yan. So, yan. Okay na yan. May time na after you apply the makeup, it seems like parang ang puti naman or parang ang kapal naman. But, it's actually fine kasi, well, based on my experience, kasi hindi siya madaling mawawala kapag gumukulas. Kasi, yun nga, papawis ka or oily skin mo. So, hindi siya agad mawawala. So, yun. Right after we put on those first three, we're going to use Caroline Pecan shade na Liquid Chisel. Liquid Chisel is a contouring product. So, this is for us to create nose lines. Then, we can put here. Hindi ko lang alam kung anong tawag pag dito. Pero may sinasabi silang bronzer, which I don't know pa yun. And then, gagawa tayo ng panga. Yun. And, yun. Tapos, pag brush kasi, hindi siya masyado nabibuild up dun sa mga brush mismo. Ayan, di ba? And then here, iba to sa blush on Ayan, kung may sobra, pwede kang ilagay mo dito. At paano, meron kang bubungtod. Tapos, for the nose, we have this. Kasi bumili ako nitong gantong brush. Ang advertisement niya sa TikTok, meron siyang pangalan kung para siya saan. Pero nung dumating, wala. So, kung mali man yung brush na ginagamit ko, ako'y patawarin. Again, hindi ako professional makeup artist. Yan. O, diba? Okay naman eh. For me kasi, as long as it serves its purpose, then we're good. Ganun. Now, after that, I'm using Nikki Do Adore You shade. Yan, ganyan ko lang siya ginagawa. Tapos, aside from this, meron pa akong isa pang pamatong na lipstick on shade number 3. This is a Face Lady lipstick. The reason why I apply a second layer of lipstick kasi it's lighter than the first one. Eh bakit hindi mo i-direct na ito na lang? Yung first kasing layer na nilagay ko, hindi siya agad-agad nawawala. Unlike the second one, though it's lighter, dahil nga, sorry sa Face Lady, pero medyo umarahing brand, so hindi siya ganun nagtatagal. So after you drink water or, nakailan ng dampi yung bibig mo sa kung saan-saan, bahala na kayo mag-isip kung ano yun, nawawala na siya. Unlike itong ganito, hindi agad nawawala. So, yung first lipstick yung matitira kapag nawawala na yung second lipstick. Ayan. So, ayun, naikalat ko na rin yung nilagay ko sa pisngi ko, sa cheekbone. So, it blushes now. Kinda. A bit. Ayan. And now, dahil puro water or liquid based yung mga pinaglalagay natin sa mukha, tsaka tayo magpa-powder. I'm using Nikido beige color powder. Pag lalaki ka naman kasi hindi ka naman maarte sa brushes as long as may ginagamit kang brush and it serves its purpose, I think that's okay. Kasi hindi naman kagaya sa babae na may pang eyeshadow, may pang ano. Kasi alam ka naman ganito yung gamitin mo pang eyeshadow, di nagmukha kang panda, diba? So tama lang din naman yung gano'n. Pero dahil yung mga lalaki hindi naman nag-eyeshadow, so kung ano na yung hawak natin, yun na yun. Yung kilay, gano'n mo lang. Hindi pa ako nag-a-apply ng eyebrow pencil. Kasi hindi pa naman nakakalbo ang kilay ko. Yun. Diba? We're good. And right after that, do not forget to apply. Okay, so right now, we're fixing our hair. For hair, this is the only thing that I use. Kung ayos ang buhok natin, sana okay. Kasi hindi natin sure kung may call tayo sa Encantadia today. Hindi pa daw sure. Pag nagkataon na matuloy yung call ko sa Encantadia today, ito na rin yung hairstyle ko today. So that's it. That's our look for today. And it's time for me to fix myself. So I'm wearing brown pants and a khaki shirt. And then I'll be wearing a brown leather watch. So, we're almost done. Ayan. And we're going to wear our YSL perfume for us to smell expensive today. So, it's past 1 in the afternoon. It's time for us to book a ride. Kasi 2 ang start ng program. So, I should be there before 1:30. So alright, so we have arrived here at our venue. And we are just waiting for the program to start and we're good to go. So there you go. So this is the end of this vlog, and hope you guys will watch the other succeeding episodes of our vlog. And so maraming salamat po. If you have reached this point, it means that you have watched the entire vlog, and I would like to thank you for doing that. Ayan. So maraming salamat po. Again, don't forget to like and share, and see you on my next video.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Nanay Olga's 80th birthday celebration here at Jazz Events Venues and Catering. And of course, I would like to formally introduce myself as well. My name is Ozgel Lorenzo. I am the dynamic singing host of the South from Behind the Mic Philippines, and I'll be with you until the end of the program. Kaya sana kayo din po ay makasama namin hanggang sa dulo ng programa. Pwede po ba yun?